Woman chooses puppets over her fiance. Okay, I like the sound of this one.
Next time you do.
April spends 80 hours a week working with her puppets. It's 4,000 hours a
Always has
year.
the doll with her. It's just ridiculous. It would be nice to spend time with just April and have her leave the doll at home.
Like, hello, how have you been?
I've been good.
May thinks that my sister is intimidated by her looks. I just think she feels that she's being replaced, and that's really hard for her.
Put your hand in my mouth, come on.
I don't know if I want
Come on,
to.
put your hand in my
I don't want
mouth.
to.
Put your hand in my mouth. Do it.
How does that work with dating? Like, because you have your pup.
Bruh. I don't even know how to fucking respond to this one. Like, how do I respond to this? What's up, Chrissy? This one's too painful.
See, I think after watching this, I'm definitely gonna go outside in New York City and just go lick some poles.
Dude, oh man, this is making my skin crawl, dude. Oh my god. So, I'm thinking that this girl is the girl with the puppet's sister, and she said that she's trying to replace her with the puppet. So the sister's getting jealous of the puppet, is what it is. I would be pretty jealous too. I wish my sister had her hand up my ass all day and was working my mouth like a puppet. That'd be pretty fucking hot.
Like, if you take them on your first date.
You're not Gargle Walter, so just like shut it.
Like, do you
May, you can't talk like that to my sister. Yes, I can. No, you can't.
What it is she's using the puppet to talk shit to her sister. It's like she's letting out all the feelings that she couldn't say, like to her face. Like she's a pussy is what it is.
Yes, I can.
Can I talk to you, not the puppet?
I'm sorry, she's just having a day.
I worry about April in relationships because to, you know, whip out a puppet, and it seems like a moderately awkward dynamic.
Moderately awkward. Moderately. It could get more awkward if she had two puppets. Then that'd be the pinnacle. But she only has one, so it's just moderately awkward.
No, I'm just trying to be a good sister. Like, I want to make your life easy.
No, apologize to May.
I'm sorry, May. I know they know where to stay.
This is
Alright,
like
this is so fake.
This is like a fucking just. Oh no, dude. It's like a fucking skit. It's like a living skit all the time. Apologize to May. This has to be fake, man. There's no
I
way.
can't tell.
No, I worry as a mom. I worry about her not having health insurance, and I worry about her.
This looks like just
having
some
enough
random.
money.
lady
That's
on
a
the
genuine
street.
concern. She doesn't have health insurance. Like, not really concerned about the puppets. Is the fact that she can't get treated medically. That's.
Not taking care of herself.
May, I'm so glad that you're standing next to me.
She's the only one there.
Crowd.
Didn't look skinnier already. Well, May, you can go to hell.
Sorry, wouldn't want to sit in your audience.
Oh. You like the flow of those, Mom?
Pretty good, pretty good.
I want for my daughter what every mother wants. I want her to have 2.5 kids and a good husband.
What?
I want her to have that full life.
2.5.
Wait, 2.5 kids. What does that mean?
Is that half a kid?
One's
What
been
you
sawed in
got?
half or
Half a
something?
fetus?
Wait,
Pretty good, pretty
Maybe
good.
missing limbs?
I went for
did I hear that? Did I hear that right?
her what every mother wants. I want her to have 2.5 kids.
What does that mean?
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, I see.
Does that mean she wants her daughter to have 2 kids and a puppet? Maybe the puppet equals the half a kid. That's what it is.
Have you thought about spending less time with the puppet?
Mom, I thought we discussed this. You weren't going to ambush me on this visit.
At some point in time, I'm thinking you might be tired
Ambush me!
of this.
I'm never going to get tired of my puppets, Mom. Ever.
When Mom brings up spending less time with the puppets, I feel like it's her way of saying, you're not the daughter I wanted.
I'm very proud of you.
That's exactly what she's saying. Word for word. Just in a kind way.
Chicken in that. You're an amazing person.
Please, Mom, stop crying. It's gonna mess up your eye makeup, and it's gonna mess up mine too.
I keep saying, where's
You're
plan
upsetting the
B?
puppet. Come on now.
And she says,
Come on,
"There is
Mom."
no plan B, Mom.
Take their feelings into
It's a
consideration,
little
Mom.
upsetting.
People have been saying that I'm spending too much time with the puppets.
I'm walking through the park.
I think it would be kind of a good idea to have someone
look at all of you and make some recommendations. Maybe I'll see, a therapist. And if I am becoming like that creepy ventriloquist woman...
Oh my god, what the
I don't want that
fuck?
either.
Don't be just sitting out in public and doing it, dude. Come on, man. At least do it in the private of your own home so the rest of us don't have to see it.
April's going to see a therapist today, and I'm kind of curious to see what
I love how they
have to
put the lower third in for the puppet. Like, they put the name up. You guys can't see it on them. Look, they put the name up for the puppet. Jesus.
therapist today, and I'm kind of curious to see what they have to say, seeing that April takes me everywhere she goes. I mean, granted, April is a little crazy. I know that because I live with her.
So how much time would you say you...
The puppet shit talking her, dude. How is the puppet allowed to call her crazy? Like, she's just calling herself crazy, dude. Like, so weird. It's a weird dynamic.
spent with them?
Spend a lot of time with them. I take them out in public with me. We sit in Times Square. People take photos with us. I'm bringing these guys
They
to
take photos of you.
places to
Oh,
They take
you.
photos of you to put online and say, stay away.
perform. This is Mae Wilson.
How are you doing?
Hi, May.
I'm here today because April is crazy. I'm with her because I feel bad for her.
So she may...
She, like, doesn't blink. You ever notice that? Like, when she's doing the puppet voice, she's, like, smiling and just staring like that the whole time. Hey, guys. Right here.
With the SpongeBob mask.
Oh, yeah, I could. Oh, no. Here we go. I got the laughing emoji. What would you guys do if every time I streamed I came on like this? Hey, y'all. It's laughing emoji here with Soup. He's going a little bit fucking bananas today. That's a cry for help. If you ever see me doing that, it's a fucking cry for help, dude.
So you are here because you want to possibly explore why...
Why is she always looking like that?
behavior.
Yeah, I just, because I don't think I'm divorced from reality, but I just want to make sure that's not the case.
And do you find this to be a problem in your life?
No, I don't. I don't think it's a problem, but people think, I spend too much time with them. I'm not dating enough. I'm not going out enough. And my mom says to me the other day, like, I want you to spend less time with the puppets, and I want you to find a husband and, maybe, shovel snow and rake leaves. And I don't like shoveling snow and raking leaves. That's why I moved to the city.
And so it doesn't get in the way of
Okay.
dating.
You can move to the city and not have a fucking puppet on your hand all fucking day. Those two don't have to go hand in hand.
Hello, Mr. Cute. I'm talking to you. I party all the time. I don't sleep. And April, he's single.
Is that Mark Zuckerberg?
Beach Street guy. It was because either him or the puppets. I am so glad I gave him up instead because he wanted me to change who I was. I am so glad I didn't.
So when you're out in public, are there any negative reactions towards May?
One time I was doing a trade show performance and a guy tried to have me arrested. And I actually really got into it with him. Sometimes it's
Wait,
like,
did she get
"Ow."
into it or did the puppet get into it?
I definitely think April has a lot of work to do in the future, and it would be important
Mental
for April
issues.
to try to find her own voice.
I think the
Psychopathic
therapy
traits.
session went well. I learned some things about myself. I don't see any reason to put the puppets aside or to spend any less time with them. If anything, I'm spending as much time with my children as possible.
Oh my god. April still spends most of her days with her puppets. She did leave them at home for a recent family gathering. Hey, progress. Progress. She didn't bring them to a family dinner. One time. Oh man.